Hi guys, my name is Mohan and I completed my graduation in mechanical engineering and my native is I'm from Mandya. So coming to this institution, after my graduation I came to this institution, Qspider, which is in Btm. So here when I came here I was completely scratched, like I didn't know anything about IT sector and this or Java. I didn't know any coding, all those things. But when I came over here I feel like I can learn and even I can do it. So after that, coming to these faculties and all, they will train you from scratch to a skilled person. So where you will be like you will be professionally good in the technical skills, all those things. So coming to this year, my manual was taken from my Ramya ma'am and my Selenium automation was taught by Sandeep sir, and my core Java was taken from Shishira sir and Abhishek sir. So they support me in a very well when I have doubt and all, they clarify me in a very good manner also. So it's never too late to come here and learn from scratch to professional skill. So come to Qspider and get yourself professional in IT field. Thank you so much.